We need to do that. We need to make it so like we can watch it for ages, and then we don't tell us how long it is. We all want to make the
We want the audience to decide for themselves when it was done.
Find some kind of voting in that.
Bring it back today. No, bring it back today.
We need to send
Yeah, we'll bring it back. We'll just copy it onto your hard drive.
How